koru, you can create a or drop a decal on your object or create a watermark. It's very simple. Open your project folder, and based on which part do you drop, if you drop here, you can just create a watermark. But if you drop on an object, you can insert it as a texture. It's importing to diffuse color, you saw it before, and place as a decal. And you can see this is a decal. You can move it and insert as a material, and you can change all of its settings like before, but here it's a handle and the rotation. You can place your decal, you can on top of any texture here, you can move it. Another thing that you can insert it as a watermark. Going here, drop it at the here, you can assign it as a background or create a watermark. You can move it anywhere that you want. For example, here, change the size, and that's it. And if you export it and you desktop, done, open in the browser, and now this is your decal, and this is on your watermark. Nice. Or you can assign, for example, this as a background. Nice.